baby.
Hello everyone, I'm Captain Mark. I'm from Assateague Island, Virginia. My family's been here since the 1820s. I'm excited to go every time we go out here. You can see some of it on our Instagram page. I hope you enjoy this video. We're seeing wild horses and dolphins all around the boat almost every time we go out on the water. The kayaking is awesome, the boat tour and the kayaking. You should do both while you're here. I hope you really enjoy this video. Be sure to leave some comments in it. And yeah, we hope to see you soon. We do this all day, every day throughout the season. Enjoy the video and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe. I hope you like all this video footage that I capture out here. I get lots of nice photos too. Visit my website, photographerimages.com, and be sure to reserve your tour now for the boat ride or the kayak tour. Visit Assateagueexplorer.com. Show this video to your friends and family. I'm sure some of them would like to come down here. Maybe you know some people that's been here, or you can be the first to discover this place. Yes, I grew up here, and just like Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz says, there's no place like home. Have you ever dreamed of visiting Assateague and Assateague Island? Have you ever read the book, Misty of Assateague? Leave a comment and let us know. My family has been on the island since the 1820s, and my parents went to school with the kids from the book, Misty of Assateague. My grandfather is in the movie Misty of Assateague. It's a Hollywood movie that they filmed here in 1962. And yeah, you're gonna love this area. Be sure to subscribe.